This video demonstrates the fundamental procedures of crime scene processing. We will walk through each step: arrival at the crime scene, protection of the crime scene, markings, photographs, collection of physical evidence, and the final release of the crime scene. Crime scene processing is vital because proper procedures preserve the integrity of evidence, ensure accurate investigation, and support the pursuit of justice. Jcfc CDI2, a case of illegal possession of drugs. The first responder arrives at the location after receiving a report from the property owner. The officer speaks to the complainant to confirm the details and ensure a crime is indeed being committed. Once verified, the first responder immediately arrests and restrains the perpetrator. The officer then calls the PNP forensic group, formerly known as SOCO, and begins establishing a cordon around the area to protect the crime scene. The forensic group arrives shortly after. Their primary objective is to preserve, document, and collect physical evidence through systematic and scientific methods. The team leader coordinates with the first responder, taking note of the time and date of the arrival and recording all information shared by the officer. After gathering initial information from the first responder, the team leader begins the initial walkthrough of the crime scene. This step is crucial as it allows the team leader to observe the overall layout of the area, identify potential evidence, and determine the appropriate processing strategy. The team leader gathers the group for a quick briefing, discussing the known facts of the case and assigning tasks. The group is composed of a team leader, a photographer, an evidence collector, and an evidence custodian. Afterward, the team proceeds with the crime scene search using the strip search method, ensuring that every section of the area is examined thoroughly and systematically. Upon discovering physical evidence, the team places markings beside each item. They also include the case number and the date to ensure proper identification during documentation and future examination. The photographer begins documenting the evidence through a series of shots, starting with general or overall photos, followed by mid-range shots, and finally, close-up views. These photographs provide visual records essential for analysis and courtroom presentation. The evidence collector carefully retrieves each item using proper tools and techniques to avoid contamination. Each piece is placed into a sealed container, ensuring its integrity is fully reserved. The collected evidence is then turned over to the evidence custodian. The custodian weighs, labels, and secures each item inside the evidence box. To complete the process, the collector signs the turnover receipt, formally establishing the chain of custody. Before concluding, the team conducts a final sweep of the area. This ensures that no evidence has been overlooked and that the crime scene has been processed thoroughly and accurately. After confirming that all procedures have been completed, the team leader officially releases the crime scene back to the owner of the vicinity. With this, the crime scene processing operation is successfully concluded.